When it comes to upgrading your home's windows and doors, durability, quality, and trustworthiness are non-negotiables. For homeowners in Richland Hills, TX, the name that consistently delivers on all three fronts is Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors. Known for providing long-lasting results and exceptional customer care, this locally trusted company has become the go-to solution for residential window and door needs. Commitment to quality craftsmanship. At the heart of Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors is a dedication to quality that shows in every installation. Homeowners value products that are built to withstand the test of time, and that's exactly what this team delivers. From high-performance energy-efficient windows to sturdy, stylish entry and patio doors, every product is sourced from trusted manufacturers and installed with precision. The company's commitment to craftsmanship isn't just about looks, it's about performance. Each window and door is selected for its long-term reliability, resistance to weather conditions, and energy-saving capabilities. This means lower utility bills, fewer maintenance headaches, and a home that's protected year-round. Tailored solutions for every home. No two homes in Richland Hills are alike, and the team at Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors understands that. Their customized approach ensures that every project is designed to meet the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner. Whether you're updating an older ranch-style home or installing new windows in a modern build, their design consultants take the time to offer solutions that fit both the architecture and budget. Homeowners appreciate that they aren't pushed into cookie-cutter options. Instead, they're guided through a range of materials, finishes, colors, and energy efficiency levels so they can make confident, informed decisions. This hands-on guidance ensures lasting satisfaction with both function and style. Experienced and trusted installers. One of the most critical aspects of any window or door project is installation. Even the best products can fail if they're not properly installed. That's why Richland Hills homeowners consistently turn to this company. Their team is made up of seasoned professionals who are factory trained and insured. Each project is treated with the same level of care and attention to detail, no matter the size. Installers arrive on time, respect your property, and clean up after the job is done. This level of professionalism builds trust and leads to long-term relationships with satisfied clients. Outstanding customer service. From your first consultation to the final walkthrough, customer service is a top priority. The team is known for being communicative, responsive, and genuinely helpful. They answer questions thoroughly, keep homeowners informed throughout the process, and ensure that expectations are always met or exceeded. This personalized care fosters trust, making homeowners feel confident and supported every step of the way. Repeat customers and referrals are a testament to the strong relationships this company builds within the Richland Hills community. Proven results and lasting value. Ultimately, what sets Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors apart is their track record of delivering long-lasting results. Homeowners see the value not only in the immediate aesthetic improvement of their homes but also in long-term performance. New windows and doors enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase property value, benefits that endure for years. By combining expert installation, high-quality products, and unmatched customer care, Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors has earned its reputation as a trusted partner for homeowners seeking lasting home upgrades. Conclusion. In a market full of options, Richland Hills Window Replacement and Doors stands out by doing the job right the first time, and making sure it lasts. Their focus on craftsmanship, personalization, professionalism, and superior customer service has made them the preferred choice for homeowners who value peace of mind and high returns on their investment. If you're ready to experience the difference for yourself, join the countless Richland Hills residents who trust the team that puts your home first.